e don reach one extent wey be say one of our ex-president wey be say we get for dis country before, the issue of borrowing wey our federal government dey do wey be say ever since he don dey elected, he dey come vex him. What they talk about na one and only Baba Iyabo, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. Abeg show me him picture for here. Well done, Baba. Well done, sir. This man, he vex reach one state say why we dey borrow? Why are we borrowing in this country? He come talk and say in fact for him own tenure wey be say he dey there as the elected president, no be say dem dey always dey borrow. If they want to borrow, they go borrow 50%. They go have savings like 50%. Wey be say when they want to pay back, the thing no go become problem. And all the borrowing wey be say they always dey do, they don't use am to invest so that they fit use am pay the debt back later. No be say dem go dey accumulate debt, accumulate am unlike this present government wey be say im dey do. You go also talk and say in fact why will the government be borrowing money as if say and they no even get plans to pay back? Invest wetin Obasanjo talk, it invest am reach one extent. In case you never watch the video of how Obasanjo of how he talk about this borrowing issue wey be say we get for this country, abeg make una watch am.
If you want to build a commercial house and you go and borrow money and you have 50% of your own money and you borrow 50%, and in 5 years you will pay the 50% that you borrow, that is a wise thing to do. But if you have to go and borrow money for you to be able to feed you and your family, that's a stupid thing to do. So if we are borrowing for recurrent expenditure, it is height of folly. If we are borrowing for development that can pay itself, of course, that is understandable. Then the paying itself, how long will it take to pay itself? But if you are borrowing and you are accumulating debt for the next generation and the next generation after them, it is criminal, to put it mildly, to do. So what are you borrowing for? When I came into government as elected president, we were spending $3.5 billion to service debt. And even with that, our quantum of debt was not going down.
The thing vex Obasanjo reach one state talk say na criminal attitude na him dey do so. Why you go dey borrow? I mean to I reason with am. I reason am. This $4 billion, so if you say we still wan borrow again, we say he don dey on top this thing sit now, on top Senate president sit now, wey I know say they go still approve am. You check na don hear wetin our federal government talk say they wan use the money do. They wan use am build railway, they wan use am provide jobs. There is no even anything wey be say we wan use am invest something wey be say we go use am to dey pay debt back later. Me I talk am say the next president wey go become this thing for this country, the person go do some work, because the amount of debt wey be say this present government don accumulate for him, the thing go choke am. I dey tell you, the thing go choke am. The thing wey go help us be say the next president make him no borrow any money again to the one wey be say him go meet for ground, because I know say for sure him go surely meet debt for ground. I know that one for sure. Don hear wetin Obasanjo talk now. Make our federal government too make dem help us to dey think, because the more they borrow, the more the thing dey affect us. Our naira dey go down, nothing dey valuable again for this country now. Na know say all the things wey be say we dey use for this country na import we dey do. we dey import everything for everything. In fact, unto matches we dey import toothpick, common toothpick, toothbrush we dey import for this country, and na dollar we dey use. The thing come dey affect us. The more we borrow, the more the thing dey affect everybody. And the thing no affect them because say they no dey use wetin we dey do, they no dey pay tax, they no dey the salary wey we dey collect, the thing no affect them. They still dey borrow upon borrowing, and they be giving us excuses say they use am build railways, they disburse am to people, then give people money. Who they give money, we no know. The only way we say the only thing we say we see, when we say they use all the debts ever since. We say okay, na tangible things they use and do. And the railway waiting for Lagos. After that one, we never say anything again. The only thing we say we dey construct railway from Kano to Nigeria Republic. I don't know wetin concern Nigeria with Nigeria Republic. Make we use all the money we dey borrow. Make we use am invest in our this thing economy. He talk say okay, say once they borrow money to dey pay salary, once they borrow money to dey run our budget for this country, make we use am for thing wey be say go increase, go bring income. No be say we go dey spend am, dey borrow again, spend am, dey borrow again, spend am, dey borrow again, and the borrowing na continuous stuff. I don't know which country they always dey borrow that kind of money. I don't know. Make all these countries make them stop to dey borrow us this kind. Make Nigerians also think. We get many things wey we say suppose dey bring income for this country. We get many things. We get many things wey we say we get. Now these people wey they call am all these people dey dey for border. They talk say they make 1 trillion naira within 6 months. 1 trillion naira within 6 months. Now all those kind of money, where the money dey go? Where they go? All this NRTW, only God knows how much they make. Where all those money they go? Where did they go? And we see they borrow. We see they borrow. On top all the borrowing itself, our doctors still dey on strike. Ordinary minimum wages, when we say all the workers they shout all these days, they think no they effective. We still can't they borrow. Why we can't they borrow? Why will they borrow? For who? Basanjo don't talk and say they say that they borrow for themselves and their family to eat, and also for them and their family for them to eat. Economy now don't shattered nowhere. Our fuel now every month the thing they increase. Light tariff now every month the thing they increase. Only God knows wetin dey happen for this country now. No problem. Now don't hear wetin Obasanjo talk. So make the federal government make them do the needful. This borrowing stuff, it they affect us. We masses, we vote for you. It they affect us very, very well. Very, very well. Make you not stop. I beg. They go beg you. Who go pay back the debt? Now the next president go pay back the debt. Or now who go pay back? We will try to think, say, how are we going to pay back all this money we say we dey borrow? How are we going to pay back? Ever since we done borrow, we never at least make an attempt to pay debt back for once. We never try am for this country. No problem. My name na MC Top Secret. See you in my next edition. Thank you.